Welcome to Free Current Affair. Today we discuss a very important topic, that is global minimum corporate tax. Okay, in this video we discuss what is global minimum corporate tax and what is G7 country and what is corporate tax. Okay, so global minimum corporate tax. Okay, recently finance ministers from group of 7 nations have reached a landmark agreement in London, setting a global minimum corporate tax rate. The G7 nations have backed a minimum global corporation tax rate of at least 15%. Okay, so here we know what is global minimum corporate tax. Major economies are aiming to discourage multinational companies from shifting profit and tax revenue to low tax countries, regardless of where their sales are made. Increasingly, income from intangible sources such as drug patent, software, and royalties on intellectual property has migrated to this jurisdiction. Okay, this has allowed companies to avoid paying higher taxes in their traditional home country. The Biden administration hopes to reduce such tax-based erosion with placing American firms at a financial disadvantage with its proposal for a minimum 15% tax rate and allowing competition on innovation, infrastructure, and other future. Okay, how global minimum corporate tax work? The global minimum corporate tax would apply to profit earned abroad. Okay, government could still set whatever local corporate tax they want, but if companies pay lower tax in a particular country, their home government could top up that taxes to the minimum rate, reducing the benefit of shifting profit. The basic design of the maximum tax is not the concern, but rate is most difficult issue. Then we know what is corporate tax. Okay, corporation tax or corporate tax is a direct tax. Okay, there is two types of tax, that is one is direct tax and another is indirect tax in India. Okay, this corporate tax is a direct tax levied on the net income or profit of a corporate entirely from their business, foreign or domestic. The rate at which tax is imposed as per the provision of the Income Tax Act 1961 is known as the corporate tax rate. Okay, in India there are two types of tax, that is direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax is the tax that is paid directly to the government by the person or company on whom it is levied. Income tax, wealth tax, corporation tax, and property tax are some of the examples of direct tax. Okay, indirect tax. What is indirect tax? Indirect taxes are those that are collected by intermediaries from individual and corporation who bear the burden of the tax and passes on the government. Goods and service tax, GST, is an example of indirect tax. Corporation tax form a large chunk of the government tax revenue. Okay, recently India reduces corporate tax to 22% from domestic companies and 15% of new domestic manufactured companies. Okay, now where this move by the G7 country. Okay, a global minimum corporate tax will allow the major economy to discourage MNC from shifting profit and tax revenue to a low tax country. Okay, this proposal from the major economy aims to reduce tax base erosion without putting their firms at a financial disadvantage, allowing competition on innovation, infrastructure, and other attributes. Okay, now we are no country with low corporate tax rate. Okay, like Bahamas 0% corporate tax, Bahrain 0%, Ireland 12.50%, Cyprus 12.5%, Bermuda 0%. Okay, in India, highest tax rate 25.17% and lowest is 70.01% corporate tax. Now we know G7 country. Okay, the G7 or group of 7 is an organization made of the world's 7 largest so-called advanced economy. They are Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the UK and the United States of America. Okay, the 7 countries involved are also the largest IMF advanced economy in the world. Russia joined in 1998, creating the G8, but was excluded in 2014 for its takeover of Crimea. Okay. The 47 G7 summit is scheduled for 11 to 13 June 2021 in the United Kingdom, while it holds the presidency of G7. In this year, G7 presidency is held by the United Kingdom. Okay. Now we know G7 country's capital and head of state. Okay. Canada PM Justin Trudeau. Okay. Capital Ottawa. France Prime Minister President Emmanuel Macron. Capital Paris. Germany Chancellor Angela Merkel. Capital Berlin. Italy Prime Minister Mario Draghi. Capital Rome. Japan Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga and capital is Tokyo. Okay. UK PM Boris Johnson and capital is London. Okay. USA President Joe Biden and capital is Washington DC. Okay. In this video is Japan. In Japan recent, it is very important to know about 2022 Olympic, that is Summer Olympic, is hosted by Japan. Okay. And 2022 Winter Olympic is hosted by Beijing, China. Okay. Japan currency is Japanese yen and yes. United Kingdom currency is pound sterling. Okay, you have to understand. Again, we have discussed about IMF. Okay, IMF means International Monetary Funds. Okay, form on 27 December 1945. Okay, headquarters is Washington DC. Managing director is Kristalina Georgieva and chief economist is Gita Gopinathan. Okay, thank you being watched the video. If you like the free current affair, then kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.